that we have the Clacton Airshow, the 27th and 28th of August back in 1940. 27th, flying a free German aircraft. So here we are now, flying off to the left while the Spitfire is out in front of us. And he'll now give his own solo display. And this Spitfire coming in towards us now is the oldest airworthy Spitfire in the world. And the only Spitfire still flying that have actually fought in the battle. It's a Mark IIA, believed to be the 14th of almost 12,000 Spitfires built at the Castle Bromwich Travel. She entered service in August 1940 at the height of the battle. With a Messerschmitt 109 and had to force land, led by cannon fire at the left wing. 1941 before the aircraft was operational again, serving the 616 by France as fighter commander on the is currently presented as Spitfire Mark 1A above the 41 Charles, which was flown by the top scoring patriotic fighter who on the 5th of September destroyed 3 enemy aircraft in a single shot. Anthony Parkinson, known as Parky, joined the RAF at the age of 18 and has been flying ever since. Being one of the display pilots, he was also the operations officer of the battle. Hurricanes were actually more numerous in the Battle of Britain than the Spitfires, and maybe because of that, shot